Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your linked account in Lords Mobile. To do so, you first need to launch your Lords Mobile app on your device. So once you've done that, go to this gear icon right here and tap on it. And so once you're in this menu, tap on Help and then Live Chat, which will take you to the IGG Live support. So the only way you can change your linked account is by talking to the IGG Live support and convincing them. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Stace. Happy gaming!